After the grand oath-taking ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Narendra Modi is assuming charge as the country's Prime Minister, the one ministry that had everyone's interest was the Home Ministry. And Rajnath Singh was entrusted with the responsibility to head the portfolio. Singh on Thursday formally took charge as the Home Minister in the North Bloc. Before assuming office, Singh paid tributes to the country's first Home Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, at Patel Chowk in the capital. On his first day at office, he was welcomed with flower bouquets by a number of senior ministry officials led by Union Home Secretary Anil Goswami. Meanwhile, Kiren Rijiju also took charge as the Minister of State for Home Affairs at his North Bloc office.
This is a very high-profile, very important ministry under the Government of India, and we have to deal with so many issues related to security, law and order, and other developmental activities attached to this ministry.
In his first stint as a cabinet minister, former BJP President Nitin Gadkari took charge as the Minister of Road Transport and Highways and Shipping. Addressing media persons in the capital, Gadkari laid out a detailed plan to complete pending national highways projects, overhauling the sector and bringing in more transparency by introducing e-governance model.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि इस खाते के इस डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में मैंने जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पूछा था तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप जो कहे, तब मैंने कहा कि मुझे रोड का ही काम करना है क्योंकि मैं कुछ कर चुका हूँ मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में। मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे, 55 फ्लाईओवर्स और वर्ली बांद्रा सीलिंग जैसे प्रोजेक्ट जो अनुभव मेरे पास था उसमें मैंने कहा कि इसमें मैं अच्छी तरह से काम कर पाऊंगा।
Among other new ministers to take charge on Thursday included retired General V.K. Singh as Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State for External Affairs, while Prakash Javadekar assumed charge as Minister of State for Environment and Forests.
देश के लिए सबसे अहम विषय एक तरह से है क्योंकि हमारी विकास का बहुत बड़ा जिम्मा इस विभाग पे आता है। पर्यावरण की रक्षा भी, देश का विकास भी, और इसमें कोई अंतर विरोध नहीं है।
डोनर का चार्टर नहीं है सिक्योरिटी, डोनर का चार्टर है डेवलपमेंट, डोनर का चार्टर है किस प्रकार उस इलाके को बाकी देश के साथ जोड़ना, डोनर का चार्टर है वहां पर किस प्रकार कारखाने लगे, उद्योग बढ़े, वहां का जो गृह उद्योग है उसको कैसे बढ़ावा मिले और एक वो माहौल तैयार करना जिससे सिक्योरिटी में मदद मिले।
Senior TDP leader Ashok Gajapati Raju also took charge as the new Civil Aviation Minister, assuring that he would strive to create a level playing field for all players in the crucial infrastructure sector. With most of the newly appointed ministers having taken charge of their respective ministries and Narendra Modi's agenda already laid out, the next few days will prove to be challenging for each one of them. News Night Desk, DD News.